Hello everyone, I welcome you all. Today in this video, we will see about the leveling plate method for leveling the base plates. Leveling is a critical process during steel erection, ensuring that the base plates are installed, plumbed and level properly, which is essential for safety, stability and long-term performance of the steel building. Proper leveling ensures the precise load transfer from steel member to foundations. The main leveling methods are first one is a leveling plate, another one is a leveling nut or setting nut method, and the third one is a shim stack method. In this video, we will see the method by leveling by leveling plate. Just take a look of figure. Uh, Here is a steel column and below is the footing. This is a grout. In between the bottom of base plate and top of grout, there is the leveling plate as shown by the green color. This green color leveling plate is fixed before erecting the column at a proper elevation. In shim stack method, we use the shim stack to uh, level the proper elevation of the base plate. In leveling nut method, we use the leveling nut and washer for the leveling of the base plate. Here, this green plate also serving the same purpose for the proper flat surface for the proper level of the base plates. There are few important points regarding this leveling method. Leveling plates set, leveled and grouted before the erection of the column. Next point is leveling plate method is more costly than the setting nut and washer method. The next point is regarding the size of plate and the thickness we are following for the leveling plate. The maximum dimension for the leveling plate is 2 feet by 2 feet. Mostly while detailing the leveling plates, we are providing standard round holes, uh, which makes these leveling plates to use as a template also. Standard round hole means for anchor bolt dia, if just for example 3 by 4 dia, we are providing the 13 by 16 hole. Here I wrote a template word. Templates means these are the kind of plate like materials from cardboard, plywood or metal. It has a pattern of hole locations that hold the anchor bolt at the correct locations. Generally, we use the 1 by thick steel plates as a template with the standard round holes. Suppose the column location is in excavated place, have risk of water or soil flow underneath the base plate. For these locations, setting plate method is preferred because in other uh, leveling nut and shim stack method, grout placement is taking place after the erection of the column and cleaning the surface below the base plate is difficult after the erection of column for grout placement. Thank you for watching this video. Follow the leveling method as per your project specification and fabrication standards. Please write a review on my Facebook page if you like my videos in the about section of my Facebook page.